Welcome to All Fasteners for a special edition of At the AF Desk. Today we're talking with our operations manager Tony about our Safety Climb vertical lifeline systems offered through our new website safetyclimb.com. Now Tony, I'd love to jump right into this. Can you give us a little bit more information about what we're seeing today?
Sure. So safetyclimb.com is our new website, and it's an e-commerce site where you can purchase our Safety Climb systems. You can buy them as standard kits, individual components, or create your own assembly.
Now, if you need a fully customizable option, I know on our new website we have a create your own assembly option. Now that process, when you look at it on the screen, can be a little daunting and a little overwhelming. Can you kind of walk us through the process of selecting individual components for a custom assembly?
Sure. The create your own assembly is a great option if you have a unique structure. A good example of that is perhaps a self-supporting tower with a climbing ladder partway up, or maybe another tower where you even need multiple systems to cover it from the ground to the top. So with our create your own assembly option, the first thing to select is your cable finish, which we just talked about. The next thing to select is the cable length. Selecting enough cable is always key. You don't want to be short on site. So our cable is available in 10-foot increments, and we always recommend rounding up if you're not sure. After you select the cable, you select the head attachment bracket. Those come in a wide range of options depending on your leg size and type. We always recommend purchasing an extra bracket if you're not sure and you want to avoid going out to site. After you select that, go to the intermediate brackets. These come in a range of options from our standard kits, including the threaded stud intermediate, the U-bolt intermediate, and the two-bolt intermediate. We also include a standard accessory using self-tapping screws to attach our intermediates to structures that don't have an existing tab or weldment on the pole. The intermediate quantity can also be customized. Our standard kits always include intermediates, cable guides for 25-foot spacing. If you need more or less, you can just add to your create your own assembly. Next, select your bottom bracket. The most common bottom bracket is the bracket with 4-inch hole spacing. This works in conjunction with a wide range of other brackets, including our VB0, 1, and 2 brackets, or can be mounted directly onto a tower or pole if there's an existing tab with 4-inch spacing. If that's not available, you can also use our large diameter VB7 bracket, which works on larger leg diameters over 8 inches. Next, select any accessories that you need to complete the site. Our yellow tie-off bracket is rated to 5,000 pounds and is commonly used to avoid obstructions in the path of the Safety Climb system.
As always, if you have any questions regarding the Safety Climb website, how to select components for the new Create Your Own Assembly, or any questions regarding the product dimensions and/or fit-up, contact an AF representative or visit the new website www.safetyclimb.com. Tony, I'd like to thank you for coming, sharing information about all these products, and always, we'll see you next time at the desk.